Okay, well, wherever you are in the world today, I hope everyone's feeling good. You're being good to each other. This is a binary option trade, pound dollar, and it's looking good. We've got to be below this line here. We certainly are. The binary is on for about 30 minutes. You can see here purchase time and the expiry time, and there's just over a minute to go. So this is a way to scale up your money quite quickly, but you've got to choose your times very carefully. And to give you a bit of a big picture, we go daily here on the pound, showing a little bit of resistance up here. We go 4 hourly. This is a demo account, this one by the way, but it gives you a good idea about what's going on. So we're certainly on the 4 hour, we've had some resistance there during the last 8 to 12 hours. And the London session will start soon, so the volume is going to really be kicking in. And on the 15 minute, it looks like that, which is quite interesting because nice long spike there on the 15 minute, indicating weakness. And weakness on the pound is what we're thinking about. And I do believe, yes, there we go. This is just, and I started off with 10,000 here, we're 10,160. So there's a profitable trade. Okay, and we'll see if we can get another one in before this is the London session about to open up. We might do another one in the London session, but also look for positions during the New York session. So from me, Nick, I hope you're fitting well, and I'll upload this to the Trading Room with Nick. That's the channel to look at, the Trading Room with Nick, and there are some other videos there as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.